Okay, in the previous video I showed you how to set up a virtual Android device, enroll a personal Android device to Microsoft Endpoint Manager. In this video I'll show you how to enroll a corporate Android device to Microsoft Endpoint Manager. It's a virtual device again, but we need to start with updating the Google Play services before we continue. So it's going to be a corporate Android device with work profile. Google Play services have been updated. Let's start the browser. And then we need a special URL which also contains the enrollment token. So we're not able to scan the QR code, but we can enroll this device with Microsoft Endpoint Manager using this token in this URL. So let's copy this URL and then paste it in our browser within the Android device. Click on continue, and now it will start to set up a work profile on this virtual Android device. Click on just once, and then next to set up your work profile. Okay, it'll ask you to sign in, so type in your username and password. And continue setting up the device. Let's click on install to install work apps. Some of the apps are mandatory, like the Microsoft Authenticator app and Microsoft Intune app are mandatory and will be installed automatically. And then there are some additional applications you can also push to the device. Okay, that's it. Click on next to continue. And then set up to register the device. You need to sign in the Intune app to continue. Type in your password again. It's not exactly the same as with a physical device, but it will do the job. That's it. Now, I've also configured a security group, a dynamic security group, which will consist of devices that have been enrolled with this specific token. Let's see if the device shows up in Intune first. No, it's not here, but let's go to the Azure portal and see if the device exists in Azure. Let's look up the security group. This is the dynamic security group, and every device that has been enrolled with this token will be a member of this security group. And as you can see, the device registered itself nicely in Azure. It will take a little time to also show up in Intune, but you can continue with the process anyway. If you run into any issues enrolling your device, try to start over or try to reboot the device like I do, and then see where you end up. Okay, and as you can see here, the applications have been installed, and I have a personal and work profile available. So it's looking good. Let's start the Intune app and try to sync the device from here. It's still not showing up in Intune, but like I said, it doesn't really matter. We can continue configuring the device from Azure. And then click on Manage. This is the device as it's registered in Intune. The applications have been installed. Any device configuration profiles you have set up have been pushed to the device, and as you can see, everything is green, so that's nice. And my device is also very compliant. Okay, let's try something. How about a remote lock? Almost instantly the device locks itself, and you need to unlock it by using your PIN. And that's it. You've enrolled a virtual Android device, a company-owned device with work profile. So as you can see, you can use this to do all your testing without ever needing a physical device. I'm not saying a physical device isn't better, because it is, but if you don't have one available, you can go ahead with this one. Now, before I wrap up, let's revoke this token, because I don't want everybody who've seen this token to enroll their device in my tenant. And when you revoke a token, it's not going to be possible anymore to enroll devices using this token or QR code. You have to set up a new profile and then create a new token to continue. And that's it. Thanks for watching.